How to create inventory or item. From the inventory module, click on the inventory list. This is where you will create a new item, edit information, or tag item as inactive or delete. To create an item, click Create at the upper right side of the window and provide the necessary information. Please note that the fields with an asterisk are required, while others are only optional. First, provide the code if you use unique codes for your item. If you don't have codes, your item name will be sufficient. Second, provide the name, which is the item name. Third, select an account in the inventory account. Fourth, the costing method is where you will select the method to compute the item cost, such as specific, FIFO or first in, first out, or average costing. Fifth, item class, whether the item is stock, non-stock, service item, or other class. Please note that the item classes are set in the miscellaneous. The following are optional fields when applicable. Click the checkbox if you allow zero amount in recording sales and receive inventory. Set the unit of measure, item type for the category of the item, or cost type. You can also set the default vendor if you have the specific vendor or supplier for the item. Set the center code if the item is placed in a specific location only. The locator is the place or location where the item is put in a specific rack inside the warehouse. Set the reorder level where you can input the remaining quantity of the item to help you identify items you need to order again if the remaining balance falls below the set reorder level. If the item is for sale, click the saleable and additional information fields will show. Set the price of the item, sales account, and sales description. If a senior citizen and PWD discount are applicable, just click the checkbox. In the purchase information, set the cost of the item, cost account, and the purchase description. Once all the applicable information is provided, you may now save your item by clicking Save. You can also create an item by copying an existing item information. Right-click on a preferred item and select the Copy option. You can then edit the information before saving it. You have successfully created your item.